So very nice. The fish is fried.
That's not a fry.
What do you call this?
That's a fish.
Fish is a fry. He did oil.
Did I fry?
The chicken is very nice. Lechon manok.
The chicken is so very fast.
Abay the lechon manok ko ron. Who?
Soda.
Oh, that by.
It's in my.
Yes.
I think it's.
Soy?
Yeah.
Hmm? What's your final answer?
The soda. Happy
Mm.
food.
I like chicken. Very nice. The mixture and the all around.
Yeah, that's your chicken.
Yeah. Eat chicken.
No, I want chicken.
Huh? Why?
You don't want chicken?
Why? Chicken is very harmful to your healthy body.
That's not healthy. The healthy is one. The healthy is.
Vegetable.
Yeah.
Oh, fish.
I love that fish.
Huh? Why? Very delicious fish and lechon manok and noodles.
I want noodles.
Oh,
No. I want that.
kunting liit lang. Kain ka muna.
Lechon sila.
Ayaw nga ako. I like it.
Ha? Big siya.
I will try.
Hmm. Mm. Mango. I am very tasted in mango. Delicious. Mmm. 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 So very nice. I'm done. You not done. Eat all you can.
Eat all you can, Doro. Doro ko. Daddy. Pagkatol mo ito ro, nagkaon na sila ro.
Oh! Ratan buka.
Batang
I'm done.
Laura's done. And I'm the last. So,
The rest is not finished.
yes, the last one is not finished.